Hello guys and welcome. Yes, it is time now to sit down and start trading, start doing something, start investing in crypto, because we are really highly likely to go high, very high, above the all-time highs. Solana broke finally the long-term resistance around 200. We reached that in March. This was due to the meme coins bonanza. It was a huge rally since October because so much money was being made on meme coins, so it attracted a lot of people obviously, and it reached that, bounced back to 120, almost went again in July, August, but then it kept going down below this 157 and now finally broke it. So what we're waiting for now, obviously slight retest, or even there that doesn't have to be a retest, and a straight rally towards all-time highs at 260 and then some. You know, people say 350, 400 is very likely, maybe not this year but hopefully next year. I don't see that a big problem. When it's gonna run very fast. So we're definitely in an uptrend, we're definitely going high. So only thing now needs to retest that area, or as I said, maybe not even retest, it might even go straight away. As you can see, it did sort of retest it yesterday, and now it seems to be waiting and hopefully gonna go up. But obviously the star of the show that pulled that off was Bitcoin, which is now 18% in the last week. And as you can see, other coins are now, altcoins picking up. Sui 70% up. Caspa finally starting to do something. Injective, all those coins I'm watching are going really nicely high. So what can we do with Solana? Solana is obviously the nicest here coins. What I'm gonna do myself, what I'm doing myself, is continue doing on Camino. As you can see, because of that rally, it went up a lot. I just deposited here $100 roughly. Now it's valued at us 170, so 70%. It was like a couple months ago. So there are a couple options on Camino that you can make profits. I covered in other videos, you can check them out as well. You've got the long short position with leverage here, as you can see, so you can put Solana to work a little bit harder. Just don't forget to keep an eye on that and keep checking what's going on. Obviously you can lose money as well as gain money, so remember that. But basically you can deposit Solana here, choose leverage. It's not a very high leverage, so that's quite safe, and then ride the price increase hopefully for a long time now. One of my favorite here that you could see in that portfolio was obviously the liquidity pairs. So not only you can gain some money with increase of the coin value, but also from the transaction fees, because a lot of people will start exchanging the coins now. So I did my Camino Solana in the Camino vaults, this one here, which is performing really well because a lot of people are obviously changing coins from Camino to Solana and back. And as you can see, you've got other options. I wouldn't go at the moment for any of those USD because obviously we are in a bull run, so no point losing money basically with impermanent loss. So you can end up with a lot of USD, and obviously that will not give you benefits of increasing price of crypto coins, because USD is obviously dollar. So just remember that. You can also multiply, which I tried a couple times. It didn't work perfectly fine for me, but you can try it as well. And then I'm testing this JLP ones, which are performing well, but this is only a coin that people use in perpetuals on Jupiter. So when they trade crypto there, they have to use JLP, and basically I'm just making money from the fees on the exchanges. It's working quite nice. As you can see, it was only like $10. Profit is now like $3, so you can definitely check that out as well. This could be quite a steady income, but this is again in dollars, so I'm just testing that. When people trade, you make money from the fees. It's not gonna be much, but it's quite interesting. Yeah, I deposit $8 here. I've got 11 now, so very nice descent, and it was literally in October, a month ago, so that's a very interesting way. So I would recommend to split the money a little bit, put something in liquidity, something like I did Camino or some other ones here, just some well-known one. Check the volumes. The volume is quite big, then pick that one. Put some maybe in the long Solana long, that would be interesting at the moment as well, and maybe a little bit in the multiply. So this is it, guys. Let me know any questions. Let's see how it goes. Solana hopefully is going to be on a tear for a while now, and we're gonna reach all-time high soon and then go beyond that. So thank you guys for